Nirmala Sitharaman has hit the ball out of the park by providing major tax relief to the middle class in this budget. To be very honest, it was quite fun watching Nirmala Sitharaman give this budget speech. She teased the move a couple of times before announcing the major tax reliefs.
I reaffirm the commitment of the tax department to trust first, scrutinize later. I also propose to introduce the new income tax bill next week. I will detail the indirect tax reforms and changes in direct taxes in Part B. New income tax bill will carry forward the same spirit of Nyaya in its drafting as well.
She absolutely knew that she was going to hit a sixer with this move.
Goes for it, and it's a big one. Over mid-wicket.
And then, towards the end of her speech, she finally announced,
I am now happy to announce that there will be no income tax payable up to income of 12 lakh rupees.
Now if you're earning 12 lakh a year, you can file your taxes in such a way that you don't have to pay any income tax. Isn't that wonderful? Well, that is definitely a relief for the middle class. But why did Sitharaman do this? Is this really a big relief or just a small step that Sitharaman has taken? And what is the new tax bill that Sitharaman is talking about? I'm going to break it down for you in this video as simply as I can. Nirmala Sitharaman has said that a new tax bill will be coming in the next week, and this new bill will provide major tax relief to taxpayers in India. Let's understand how this new tax bill will actually work. Under this new bill, those earning up to 12 lakh can get away without paying any income tax. Let me explain to you how this actually works. Look at the data on your screen. If you're earning rupees 12 lakh, you'll have to pay taxes worth rupees 60,000 under the new tax bill. And if you do not want to pay these taxes, you can claim the benefits that are offered by the government, which are up to rupees 60,000. So the effective tax rate comes down to 0. Let me tell you one very important point. The benefits that I'm talking about are only applicable on income tax and not on capital gains tax. For example, if you make additional income by selling your stocks or selling a house, then you gain some profit, you'll have to pay tax on this amount. The rebate that we are talking about in the new tax bill is only applicable on income tax. Now the next question is, why did the government do this? After all, providing such a big relief would mean losing a lot of revenue for the government. So why did it decide to go ahead with this step? Nirmala Sitharaman said in her budget speech that all the new benefits that she's providing in direct tax can lead to a revenue loss of up to 1 lakh crore for the government. We have to ask, why did Sitharaman do this? Well, if I could get into Nirmala Sitharaman's mind, I'd give you a short answer. But as of this point of time, we can only make guesses. If you look at the Indian economy, lately consumption has been slowing down. People, especially in urban areas, are not spending enough money. When people are not spending enough money, this is harming businesses that are operating in India. And when businesses are being harmed, this is harming the Indian economy, which is leading to a lower growth rate. And if businesses are being harmed, it is also affecting the Indian economy, the growth rate of which is slowing down. It is possible what the government hopes to do is to boost consumption, which will give a boost to businesses, which will eventually give a boost to the Indian economy. Another reason for this could be the pressure of industry bodies and corporates. A lot of industry bodies and corporates have asked the government to take steps that would lead to a boost in consumption. Corporates and industry bodies are of course doing it for their benefit, but as it so happens that the benefits of corporates this time align with those of the middle class. Is it possible that the government gave into the pressure of the corporates and of industry bodies? Another reason why Nirmala Sitharaman could have done this could be to appease middle class. The middle class have always been loyal to the BJP, and in the past few years the middle class did not get a lot of new things in the budget. This could have been the ruling party's way of telling the middle class that they care. As of now, there are two tax regimes in India, the old tax regime and the new tax regime. This could be the government's way of bringing all people under one tax regime. By offering such good incentives, it is possible that the government is trying to get people under one umbrella. Well, let me remind you again that all these are just possibilities. Of course, I do not know why exactly the BJP or Nirmala Sitharaman thought of bringing this new tax bill. Let me remind you again that the new tax bill is going to be released in the next week. So there could be a lot of surprises that Nirmala Sitharaman will bring. I think we should wait for one more week and see what Nirmala Sitharaman exactly has in store. I hope you like this video. There are some amazing stories on our website that we have done on the 2025 budget that I'm sure you're going to love. To stay updated with our content, subscribe to Outlook Business. Thank you for watching.